Hello, something a little bit different today. This is our Mini. We've had it about 9 years and it's sat outside for all that time, but it's been used daily by my son. And but one of the things that occurred to me was this is a cheap bumper, and as you can see it's got quite bad rust and rust stains. It's not very pretty, so what I'm going to do is show you a quick and easy way just to make it look a lot better. You know, what can you do other than by getting a new one? You'd never bother to have one of these with chrome because they're quite available cheaply, but this is my method. Aluminium foil. What you want, I'm told, is Coca-Cola, but all I've got is Pepsi Max Cherry, right? Anyway, I'm going to do this one-handed, not the best way, but you just put a bit of that in a bowl. Put that down there. Get a bit of scrunch it up. Swap hands. Dip it in. Dip it in there. And then just rub it like that. And it gets... This is obviously just a very cosmetic thing, you know. There's no way you're going to do anything other than just make it look a bit better. You'll still have all those little nits and pits, but the immediate effect, try and keep it in the camera, is that it looks better. I did a similar. No, the good thing about it is that it doesn't tend to scratch the chrome. I'll kind of turn that around and use a fresh area. So anyway, I mean, I don't know what, I think it's because there's a mild acid in the Coke, the fizzy drink. Anyway, you get the idea. I did this little bit at the end yesterday. Then I thought to myself, oh, that'd make a good little video. So there you go, a quickie from me. How to make a big improvement to an unsightly bumper. I mean, you can see that's had it really, hasn't it? But hey, what are you going to do? It's actually shedding bits of foil here because the actual surface is quite rough. Get a bit more Coke there. I know it'll just come back a bit, won't it, after a bit, but get that end bit there, look. These bumpers actually aren't very expensive, you know, they're cheap repros. So anyway, what do you think? Looks better already, doesn't it? Marvellous. Anyway, cheers then, bye. Hello Meg. What are you doing? Hello babe. What a hound. Meg. Oh God.